So next topic is about the browser. So browser, we can perform various operations with the browser in the JavaScript. We can open new window from currently running JavaScript. We can give focus to the new window. We can set the position, size, and location of a new window. We can also change the content of the window. We also can perform operations such as scrolling a web page, multiple window at a glance, creating a web page in a new window, and closing a window. Once the web browser window is set up, it is possible to change the content within that window dynamically. So first we will see opening an window. It is possible to open a new window from JavaScript by simply clicking a button. For that purpose, the window object is used. This window object has various useful properties and methods. To open a new window, we use the open method of that window object. The syntax for opening a window is shown on the screen, that is window.open. Then I will specify here URL, which URL will be open in that window, name and style which we required. So URL an URL to load in the new window, name a name of the new window, and then the style of window includes various parameters such as menu bar, toolbar, location, status, resizable scroll bars, height and width of that window. So this is a simple example to how to open the new window. This is a simple web page. In that I have written a function pop on load. Test window equal to window.open double inverted in that my window. Then I have given a location, is the location of that window, location of window, status, then the scroll bar, width, height, and test dot move to, means I will move that window to the different location. When I will click on that window, it will show the output like this. JavaScript new window example. In that the URL which I have specified will be shown. So giving a new window focus. Whenever we open a new window, it should get a focus. So we can type it or view it easily. The focus method sets the focus to the current window. This method makes a request to bring the current window to the foreground. Means when we open a new window, it should get a focus. So it will come to a foreground. So user can easily view it or do the content or do the any changes in that. For that, I have written a function over here. I have written a window.open function. In that, I have opened a window. I have specified some width 200, height 100. My window dot next line, my window dot document dot write new window, and I have written a function, my window dot focus. By using this focus function, it will set the focus to this window. Next is the window's position. We can set the desired position for that window using left and top attributes values. Here in the example, you can see I have specified screen X equal to 50, left 50, screen Y, and top 50. Means I will specify the position of that window. It is a simple example. Everyone can try it by copying it and paste in a notepad or any editor and try this example. Next, changing the content of the window. By writing some text to the newly created window, we can change the content of that window. So example below shows I have opened a new window. I have given width and height of that window. I have written something in that window, that is welcome to CSS by current window. So by this, by opening that window and writing in that window, I can perform like this. So everyone try this example. Next, how to close a window. A close method closes only window opened by JavaScript using the open method. The simple example here is shown. This is a function for opening the window. And for closing the window, function close win. In that I have written my window name dot close. It will close when this function is called. Next one is scrolling a web page. You can scroll horizontally or vertically using a scroll to function. The example of that is given below. Function, I have written a simple function scroll window. In that window dot scroll to 100 comma 0 means the window position will be shown by using this. The scrolling will take per. When I click on the button, the scrolling will be performed. Next is multiple window at once. It is possible to open multiple window at one click by using a open method. It is simple method. I will just write a function, open a window. In that I will write window dot open one URL, one window, window dot open second window. When I click or when my function will call, these windows, two windows will be open simultaneously. Creating a web page in a new window. We can also create a web page using a window object with the help of a write method. Inside the write, we have to write the content of the web page with the help of HTML element. A simple HTML element can be written in the write function. So this is an example here, function new window. I have taken open a new window. The name of my window is my win. In that I have written HTML page. My win.document.write. I have taken HTML tag, then head, title, I again head closing, then the body of the web page. In that I have written some text and closing the HTML page. By this I can write a HTML page or web page in the newly opened window. So these are some basic information: how to open a window, how to close a window, how to write a web page in the opening window, and how to give a focus to that open window.